I welcome you all to this cord cutting meditation. Before we begin, make sure you are sitting comfortably, your spine relaxed but upright, your hands resting gently on your lap. And if you feel comfortable, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly, releasing any tension from your body. One more deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your body to completely relax. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Relax your forehead. Relax your jaw, your shoulders. Let your shoulders drop, releasing any heaviness you may be carrying. Relax your chest, your stomach, and your hips. Allow your legs, knees, and feet to soften. With every breath out, feel yourself becoming more calm, more centered, and more present. Now, imagine yourself standing in a peaceful, beautiful place in nature. This could be a forest, a beach, a quiet mountain, or any place where you feel safe and calm. Notice the colors around you, the sounds, the gentle energy of this place. Take a moment to simply feel the peace of this space. Now, bring into your awareness the person you wish to release an energetic cord with. Allow their image to appear in front of you. They may be standing a few steps away from you in this peaceful space. Notice that between you and this person, there is an energetic cord connecting you. This cord may be attached to your heart, your solar plexus, or any other part of your body. Simply observe this cord without any judgment. Notice its color, its thickness, and its texture. This cord represents all the emotional energy memories, attachments, and experiences shared between you. Take a moment now to silently acknowledge everything that you have experienced with this person, the lessons, the memories, and the growth. There may have been love, joy, pain, disappointment, or sadness. Allow yourself to recognize that every connection in our life teaches us something. And now you are ready to release what no longer serves your highest good. Imagine a beautiful golden light appearing in your hands. This light forms into a pair of golden scissors, glowing with divine energy. These scissors represent your power to reclaim your energy. Bring the scissors gently towards the cord connecting you and the other person. Take a deep breath in, and as you slowly exhale, cut this cord. As the cord releases, see the remaining pieces dissolve into light. Feel your energy returning back to your body. Notice how your body feels as your energy comes back to you. Heaviness or any emotional weight begins to melt. Imagine a warm golden light flowing into the place where the cord was attached to you. This light is healing, restoring, protecting your energy. It gently seals your energy field with love and strength. You are now whole, complete, and energetically free. Look at the person standing in front of you and say to them, "Thank you for the lessons. I release you with love. I now reclaim my energy and my peace." Watch them as they slowly walk away and fade into the distance. You feel lighter, calmer, and more at peace. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your body sitting in the room again. Gently move your fingers and your toes. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for being with me.